Right, who's looking good? Today we're just going to do a nice little bit of relaxing maintenance and change an air filter. Yeah, sometimes when the world is going crazy, you just need a bit of downtime, a bit of chill out, and you can do this for 56p. These are some little baby wipes. They're about 50p a packet, and I'm just going to use a few of them to do the top of this engine. I definitely think these cars are sensitive when it comes to the air filters. They do need to be changed every 6 months, I think, and that's why the MPG does drop off quickly. One of the great things about doing this is when you're cleaning all these different parts up, you're revealing wires and plugs and pipes, parts that you couldn't see before. And it's a really good way of picking up damage or future problems just by taking your time and going around really carefully looking at things. I've got a bit of this electrical contact cleaner here just to go in around the plugs where I'm a bit wary of doing any damage. See, what even is the point in putting a brand new filter in this without cleaning it first? Just defeats the object really, doesn't it? Just look in that pipe there, look. Wow. It's filthy. It looks like you're supposed to be able to take this piece off so you can clean inside the air pipe, but it won't come off, and I don't want to fracture the plastic. But look at this, it doesn't even fit well. It's loose. I'm pretty sure it's leaking all over the place, so I don't know why they didn't just stick a rubber pipe on the end of here. This really could have been simpler, to be honest, in my opinion. Let's clean it a different way. Don't leave the mass sensor in when you're doing this. It's asking for trouble. And be really careful how you take it out. They're very fragile things, and they're usually not cheap. This is the clean side. I'm nearly there, but just to doing all these little gaps here, I'm just going to whack a couple of wet wipes down like that. Oh, maybe just one because I dropped one. Get my screwdriver and just clean it out like that. There we go, look at that. That was literally achieved with 56p wet wipes from Lidl. Huh? How much better is that? 56 pence. There's no excuses. It's just laziness. Honestly, people are lazy now. They don't look after their stuff, and that's why all their cars are crap. They don't change the oil. They don't do anything right. And they just expect cars to run forever and ever without ever having any problems, and they don't want to put any time or effort into maintenance. That's the truth. I've got a nice Bosch filter to go in. Look at this airbox, see? That's more like it, isn't it? All of it, look, lovely and clean. Much better. What's the point, hey? What's the point in doing anything less? So a quick rest a minute. Anyone remember these? Couldn't resist. £57p. 57p. to do this. From this to this. No excuses, guys. No excuses. Come on. Get it done. Just one more thing to do. One more little thing to do. Let's whack it on there. There we go, guys. Filter changed. Beautiful.